Welcome to Let Us Start Educational Channel. Today we discuss about balance of chemical equations. In last class we discussed that activities 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. From these we learned that a new substance is formed. From this we learned that a new substance is formed. Along with the new substance, gas released, heat energy absorbed or released, precipitation, forms. So we feel that a new substance is formed. In this, a gas may be released, heat energy may be released or absorbed, precipitation forms. When a new substance forms, a chemical change happens. A chemical change means from a old substance, a new substance forms with different characters. So when a chemical change happens, old substance forms as a new substance. Old substances convert as new substances. So these old substances are called as reactants. These old substances reacts and forms a new substance as a product. The substances involved in the reaction is called reactants. The substances formed after the reaction is called product. So separate these reactants and products by using an arrow. So when a chemical change happens, a new substance is formed like this. Reactants react and forms a product. So suppose that we discussed earlier magnesium ribbon bonds. We discussed earlier magnesium ribbon bonds and forms magnesium oxide and releases light and heat energy. By writing this equation in word form takes some time. So to represent this word equation, we use word notation, that is magnesium. Burning means it reacts with the oxygen. Magnesium oxide. This is word equation. This is sentence formation. Sentence formation. This is word equation. So in more easy way, we represent this word equation as Mg plus O2 gives MgO. In this simpler form, we represent the word equation in chemical form. So this equation is called chemical equation according to the law of conservation of mass. According to the law of conservation of mass, mass neither be created nor be destroyed. లా ఆఫ్ కన్జర్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ప్రకారం మాస్ మనము క్రియేట్ చేయలేము, నాశనం చేయలేము, బట్ ఇట్ కన్వర్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ఫామ్ టు అనదర్ ఫామ్. Converts from one form to another form. So mass is same. When a reaction happens, reactants and products are formed. Reactants are kept at the left side of the arrow and products are kept at the right side of the arrow. So mass of reactants is same as mass of products. That means number of atoms of reactants is equal to number of atoms of products. From the equation Mg plus O2 gives MgO. These are reactants, these are products. Now let us check how many atoms are there on left side of this. How many magnesiums are there here? One magnesium. On the product side, one magnesium. On the left hand side of the equation, two oxygen atoms. Here one oxygen atom. Here the number of atoms of reactants is not equal to the number of atoms of product. So this is unbalanced equation. Unbalanced equation or skeletal equation. This equation is called unbalanced or skeletal equation. So we must balance this equation. Let us balance this. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. So first of all, we have to write how many elements, what are the elements involved in the reaction. Magnesium, oxygen. రియాక్టెంట్స్లో ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అయితే ఉంటాయో ప్రోడక్ట్స్లో కూడా అవే ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ 1 మెగ్నీషియం, రైట్ సైడ్ 1 మెగ్నీషియం. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ 2 oxygens, right side 1 oxygen. So this is unbalanced equation. This is unbalanced equation. Let us balance it. So బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనం ఏం చేయాలి, లార్జ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్స్ ఏ ఉంటాయి ఫస్ట్ వాటిని బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయాలి. సో మెగ్నీషియం ఎలిమెంట్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్, right hand side, magnesium, oxygen element. Oxygen is in mode number. Oxygen element ఇనిషియల్గా ఎన్ని ఆక్సిజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, రియాక్టెంట్స్ 2, ప్రోడక్ట్స్ 1. బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయాలంటే మనం ఏం చేద్దాం, బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయాలంటే 2 1 into 2. Now the equation is Mg plus O2 gives multiply right side oxygen with 2, not kept here, keep these 2 as coefficient. Keep this as coefficient. 2 MgO. Now 2 oxygens, 2 magnesium. So keep 2 here. Now let us check it. Magnesium 2, kept 2 here. 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. This is balanced equation. Y number of atoms on reactant side is equal to number of atoms on product side. Next one is according to the law of conservation of law, chemical equations must be balanced. So to write this chemical equation as a sentence form, it takes more time. So we represent by using word equation. We simplify this equation by using a chemical formulas, that is Mg plus O2 gives MgO. So let us check the another equation. Zinc plus sulfuric acid. Metals reacts with the acids. Releases hydrogen gas. So here the number of atoms on reactants and product side is same. Now let us check the next equation. Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Iron is a metal. It reacts with the water or moisture in the atmosphere or moisture in the air and forms iron oxide plus metals reacts and releases hydrogen gas. Let us check. Is this unbalanced equation? Yes. 3 iron. Here is 1 iron. So first elements left side elements, right side elements, left side elements. Which elements are here? Iron, hydrogen, oxygen. So number of irons 1, number of irons in left side 3, number of hydrogens in left side 2, number of hydrogens in right side 2. Next, number of oxygens in left side 1, number of oxygen in right side 4. So Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Let us balance this here. First of all, balance the more number of unbalanced atoms. Here more number of unbalanced atom is oxygen. So oxygen left hand side, right hand side. Oxygen initial 1, 4. Now balanced 1 into 4. Here 4. Now this equation is Fe plus 4H2 gives Fe3O4 plus H2. So number of oxygens are balanced here. 4 oxygens, here 4 oxygens. Next, here we have 8 hydrogens. Here we have only 2 hydrogens. Kept 4 here. Next, oxygen balanced. Next, hydrogen balanced. Next one is balance the iron. Fe left hand side, right hand side. Fe initial 1, 3. So balance it 1 into 3. Now the equation is Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. So here 4 irons, here 4 irons, 4 oxygens here, 4 4 oxygens, 4 hydrogens, 4 hydrogens. The equation is balanced like this. We can balance the equations. We balance the equations using the method hit and trial method. Till now we balance the equation. The way of balancing this equation is called hit and trial method. So ఈ ఫిజికల్ స్టేట్స్ని మనం ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయాల. ఈ రియాక్టెంట్స్ కానీ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ కానీ అవి లిక్విడ్సా, గ్యాసెసా, సాలిడ్సా, ప్రెసిపిటేట్స్ ఏమైనా ఫామ్ అయినాయా అవి మనము మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. లిక్విడ్స్ L అని, సాలిడ్స్ S, gases G, aqueous solution. Any substance in water is called aqueous solution. This is AQ represent like this. When a gas is released, represent this with an upward arrow. Gas is released as a product. Gas is released as a product, represent with this an upward direction arrow. Like this we can balance the remaining equations. In some of the equations we apply heat energy, sunlight are applied to certain pressure. We can also write them, can also represent that how much of pressure is used applied in this equation. Is there any catalyst used in this equation? Catalyst means it directly involves the equation. It indirectly affects the equation. It can't shown as a chemical formula. It catalyst means it encourages the equation. It increases the speed of the equation. Like this we can balance any given equation. This is the way of balancing any equation. So like this channel, comment it and share this to another people who needs this chemical balance concept, and subscribe this channel for getting more and more powerful videos. Thank you.